Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to download Delta Executor on PC. This is a full guide, so let's just begin. Now the very first thing that you need to do over here is you need to search Delta Executor, and deltaexecutor.us site is going to be the best provider in this case, so head over to that. Simply wait for a couple of seconds and you can see it is now loaded up. Scroll down and you will see a few download options, and in here you need to click on download IPA. So if you are willing to download it for Android or iPhone, you can also do it from this, but in case of desktop you need to simply download the IPA version. So if you want to do that, this is really simple. So this is how easy it is. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch our more similar videos for knowledge and different kind of exciting offers. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.